kiss your mother with that mouth? What? And ruin all this frustration?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
I ain't touching that. What? And ruin all this frustration?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. You're crazy.
Get it out! I ain't touching that.
Fish run.
Loser! And you kiss your mother with that? Huh?
Chicken!
Whoa! What?
Holy mackerel! I was born to be
What? And ruin all this frustration? Get it out!
Do not fool Ralph! Hello, Ed boys! Any doors yet? Too much for couch potato Ed
What are
boys
you,
like to
some kind
say.
of troll or something?
I was born to be wild!
Chicken!
You're crazy! Do not fool Ralph! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
I ain't touching
Do
that.
not fool Ralph!
Chicken! Not to mention a duck.
What are you, some kind of troll or something?
Do not fool Ralph! You're crazy!
Not to mention a duck.
Everybody!
I ain't touching that.